Hello guys, kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipanin rin tayo ni bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video naman gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa Sparkle Campus Cutie Episode 2. Meet the top 20 finalists of the first ever Sparkle Campus Cutie. And tara, i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go! Tara, play na natin. Okay, so ito na guys.
Dear dreamers, this batch is very diverse. Surprisingly,
May taga sa amin dito guys, taga Kapas. Wala niya kung sino.
I actually love the selection.
Si Jason
kasi
Salunga.
You can clearly see na hindi siya iisang mold lang.
there are people who will do anything to make their dreams come true. Meron lahat. Yeah, great.
Stand out to
Diba? Lahat tayo nakaabang ngayong episode 2. Why not? It's time na ma-meet na natin ang mga very charming, kilig to the bones, and
Kilig to the bones.
cuties ng bayan.
Cuties ng
Dahil
bayan.
matapos ikutin ang iba't ibang campuses at makilala ang halo-halong karakter ng mga auditionees, narito na ang 20 campus cuties. Panindigan niyo kilig ko, ah! Campus cuties! Una nating campus cutie, pangarap daw maging Hollywood actor.
Oh.
Kilalanin natin ang Dutch charmer.
Good
at
looking
future
naman.
pilot ng Pasay.
Future pilot
I think one
ng
of my
Pasay.
goal is to become
Hap siya,
an
hap.
actor in the Philippines. And the next one is to become a Hollywood actor.
Wow.
I think someone with the same vibe as me, adventurous. I like traveling a lot and God-fearing.
Bukod sa pag-aartista, si Winston pangarap din maging piloto.
As a guy who has a lot of ambition, be a pilot, businessman, actor.
Wow.
Gold.
Ang susunod na cutie, kayang-kaya naman daw lumaban sa pagiging sporty. Mula sa Batasan National High School, ano nga ba ang kwentong campus cutie niya?
I'm a sprinter and am a
Ang kanya no, ang amo ng
runner,
base.
and I run 51 seconds in a
Kadi Katie.
Kaya every time na may karera is I feel confident kasi sabi ko makukuha ko to. I love doing
Ang soft ng kanya.
playing games. Most of
Parang
the
napaka-soft niya. Soft boy, ganun.
Gumala, mag-drive, pumunta kung saan-saan, kumain.
Yan, si Katie.
Katie.
A cutie with a big
Ay,
smile.
ang cute.
Yan naman ang katangian ng ating susunod na campus cutie. Lumipad pa mula sa Visayas.
Layo ha.
Magpapakilala na ang smiling chinito of Cebu.
Po, my name is Nathan and you can call me Tan for short. Karon kinangayo di ko sa inyo ang mga suporta diri sa kuan GMA Sparkle Campus Cutie. Kay I think na deserving nako na maghimog Campus Cutie is because I'm really open to learning, to growing and improve along the way. And I hope na inyo ko suportahan sa akong journey para saan ako ma-represent.
Yes naman. There's a room for improvements.
Para naman sa susunod na cutie, ang ultimate dream.
Ito, pang matinee idol.
Sa kanya ang kanyang mga parents.
Cute eh.
It was kind of a dream and medyo napilitan because at first I had a dream of being a basketball player. But once I was given a chance and I started to like it, I just went with the flow and let's see where my new journey begins.
Mhm.
I love traveling with my family.
Me too, I love traveling.
I love cooking and
I love
growing
cooking
up.
too.
The people that inspires me is my supportive parents because every day they support me to
Ang kanya no, ang
achieve
telegenic niya sa
the
sprint.
job that I will have in the future.
Show them your cuteness, Mateo. Mula sa Lucena City,
Tisoy.
ang susunod na cutie, makipagsapalaran ng daw mag-audition. Tara, kilalanin natin ang Tisoy Travelers ng Lucena.
Oh, sabi ko sa inyo,
I'm
Tisoy.
Resa Junior Digolami. My ultimate dream in life is, of course, to become successful and to become a future
He looks
pilot.
like si Riz ng
half
PBB.
Filipino. Second is, I love playing basketball. Somehow, I still pursue this course, which is
He speak
tourism,
Tagalog.
because It also aligned in my
Straight.
dream job, which is to become a
Very
future
guwapo.
pilot.
Ang ating next campus cutie, pakikiligin tayo hindi lang sa kanyang cuteness, pati na rin daw sa pagkanta.
Oh.
Secure Prada, graduate
Akira.
Akira.
Kapangalan ni
I'm currently
Akira
studying
Morishita.
at De La Salle University, Dasmariñas as a STEM student.
Half Japanese.
Since bata po ako, madami po akong gustong gawin. Pero sure po ako sa pagiging artista. Ayun po talaga yung gusto ko since I was a kid. I have poor eyesight. Medyo madami pong nagwe-wave sa akin and hindi ko po alam kung para sa akin. Kaya sila sabi nila mas
May smell niya si
hindi ko
Kwan,
na talaga
no?
sila kita.
Si, ano ni Aga mo lang?
I really love
Si
cats.
Andres.
Kung may singer, meron din namang dancer sa ating
Wow!
Sino nga ba ang tinaguriang all-out dancer ng Pampanga?
Okay, kabalin.
My name is Miguel Carlo Concepcion. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Angeles University Foundation, computer engineering student. So, parang ang dami mo nagsasabi.
Marami talagang good looking sa Pampanga. Kahit sa amin, sa Kapas.
So, sa amin nag-tweet sa akin, audition ka. Okay, so pinagbigyan ko. I dance folk dances. So, different folk dances. Okay. And yung isa is
Ayun naman pala, mahilig ka rin magpasaya ng mga tao.
Talagang kwan, sa dugo na niya yung
try
pagiging
my best. I'll do my
entertainer.
best para ma-reach ko yung goal ko. And I think yun yung advantage ko sa iba.
Kwan na siya yung confidence niya is boosted na yung kanyang confidence.
Kilalanin natin ang Superboy Wonder ng Clark.
Ay, kabalin na naman.
Audition for the GMA Sparkle Cutie.
Grabe yung napaka-deep ng
And I
boses
told
niyan.
them, okay, I'll try my best. And syempre, I wanna represent my school, my hometown. And they will know na, okay,
Is
taga-Pampanga
good
pala
looking
to.
naman.
Gusto ko iangat ang mga Kapampangan.
Kapangpangan.
I really love to play sports, especially football, because Pampanga team, represent Clark. I really love to eat a lot of food, mostly seafoods.
Hi guys, I'm Adushane Ramos. You guys can call me Matt in short, as in Galit.
Matt.
Yeah, it's my nickname. I am 19 years old. I'm 5'11".
Oh.
I study in University of
5'11".
San Tomas in Manila. My strand is physical education and sports.
Senior high
Ako
school.
guy, very nonchalant to, pero sa sampulan ko kayo. Paano ba magpagiling? Sige, kunyari tinawag ako.
Mad.
I'm a volleyball player. I play volleyball a lot.
Athlete.
Like a lot.
Athlete.
I wanna showcase,
Student.
The talent of a Muslim Marianao like me because I'm a Muslim. My religion is Islam.
Oh.
Siyempre kasi there are only few artists nga, yun yung sabi ko. And I wanna show na kayang-kaya makipagsabay ng isang Muslim sa mga ganitong bagay.
Mm-mm.
Para sa huling cutie ng unang batch, kilalanin natin ang boy next door ng Cavite.
Yes, pang boy next door talaga
My
yung looks niya.
ultimate dream in life is to be successful one day, to be famous, and to get my dreams come true. I play basketball, and I like driving cars, motorcycles.
Wow.
I have a lot of animals in my house.
Wow.
I think right now, because of the people
niya,
around
mic
me
ko.
supporting me in this journey, and especially my family who was there for me always. I want to be an inspiration to young children out there because I can be an inspiration to you guys. Don't be shy. Go prove to the world that you can do it.
Gosh! First 10 pa lang yan!
Grabe no yung face card talaga nila eh. No?
Nakakalito kung sino ang pwede maging bias.
Ah.
Lahat sila
Ako may
cutie.
bias na talaga. Yung taga sa amin,
May
syempre,
bias ka
si
na ba?
Jason.
Wait. Bago ka mag-decide,
Mamaya,
let's move
papakita
on
na
to
siya.
the next 10 campus cuties.
Good looking din to.
Hello
Lahat
po,
naman sila
I am
good
Andre
looking.
Joaquin M. Fajardo. I am an incoming first-year college student of UP Diliman.
Whoa!
My chosen program is Applied Physics because I learned po na it can offer a wide range of job opportunities in the future. And that by
Kwento.
applying that program
Matalino to.
and getting that degree, it can give me knowledge which can accommodate various fields in the future. I love music. I play the guitar and the piano. I am very
Grabe,
passionate
sinakop,
about
multi-talented.
singing and performing in general.
Papapasa na all ka na
I
lang.
think I deserve to be the first campus cutie
because I believe in my strength, skills, and
Yes, dapat naman
confidence.
talaga.
And I think that's the most important part.
Boy Wonder, matalino nga.
Ang next cutie, baka nakita niyo na sa iba't ibang social media platform. Kilalanin natin ang Digiboy ng Manila.
I've been a content creator since 2020. Content is something that is kept to yourself. It's something that's shared to other people.
Oo,
So,
familiar.
Generally, that's the whole intention of it. Pagpakilig, mag-wait kasi pag bumiti lang eh. Maybe just talking to people and then being genuine around them. I'm passionate about entertaining people, probably talking in front of the camera. Maybe it's probably to influence people to be able to have a
Tayo naman
voice,
talagang
stronger
mga
voice.
content creator. Ganun. We need to influence. Good
Masayahin, pero
influence.
may talent din. Yan ang next cutie natin mula sa Asia Pacific College. Kilalanin natin ang dance floor cutie ng
Oh,
Makati.
dancer!
John David Bonagan. I am 19 years old.
Nag-aaral po ako sa Asia Pacific College.
Wow.
Na-convince po talaga ako nung nakita ko po yung poster ng Campus Cutie and tinake ko na po talaga siya as an opportunity. Parang nato na po yung chance ko na makilala nationwide. Supportahan niyo po ako at panoorin niyo po ako kung paano ako ipakita yung sarili ko at i-express kung sino talaga ako at kung bakit ko ito ginagawa. Ipapakita ko sa inyo lahat.
Basketball is life. Ganyan daw
Ay,
ang
good looking
simula
to.
ng cutie.
Ganda ng page niya sa
Ano
screen.
nga ba ang kwentong campus
telegenic.
cutie ng charming model athlete ng Caloocan?
My dream was to be a basketball player, but I tried modeling and that worked out for me and I got this opportunity here. I love to work on self-improvement po, mag-workout, sa improve yung skills ko po sa basketball. Sa mga taga St. Clair dyan, alam nyo na yan. Sino pa ba? Alam nyo na yan. Supportan nyo na lang ako. I think what makes me deserving po is yung drive ko po matuto at mag-improve po araw-araw.
Doon naman.
Make them proud, Ralph. Shy type man, pero gagawin niya ang kanyang best. Yan ang ipapamalas ng ating next cutie. Mula pa sa Pampanga,
Kabalin. Sabi sa inyo madaming good looking sa Kabalin eh.
John Vincent Torifa. You can call me Vince.
ano ba ang mga hobbies ni Vince?
Playing basketball po, watching movies, and hanging out with friends. Because I'll promise to do my best. Hindi ko po bibigoyin yung mga taong sumusuporta sa akin. Mga naniniwala po sa akin at nakakita po ng something na kaya kong ibigay sa mga tao at magpapasaya po sa kanila.
Go Vince! Ang shy boy charmer ng
Shy boy.
Pampanga. Next, ang balikbayan boy ng Caloocan. Kilalanin natin siya.
Hi, my name is Brandon De La Cruz.
Brandon De La
I'm
Cruz.
currently enrolled at Manila Central University and I stand at 6'3".
Tungkod.
My ultimate dream in life is to live it to the fullest and travel to as many places as I can. I'm a member of the varsity basketball team at MCU. My favorite food is sushi. I love salmon sashimi and I would love to travel to Japan.
Good looking niya, no?
Hello, my name is Chris
Ryan.
and
Hi,
I'm
Ryan.
21 years old.
Regala.
I'm 6 foot flat or 6 foot 1, I don't know.
Tungkod din.
At susunod na cutie, hindi man sigurado sa kanyang height, sure naman siyang handa na siyang magpakilig.
Yeah, it was actually funny because I was never supposed to audition.
Ang
I was
amo ng boses
supposed
niya,
to
pero
be
ang deep
there
ng
to
boses.
support my friend who's auditioning. What inspires me the most, or who inspires me the most, is my little brother. He's 13 years old and he's growing, and I'm his role model, and I'm very proud to say that. And really, she's just adorable, and I want to do everything with him, and I hope that he's gonna grow up, quite a young man. I think I'm gonna try my best.
So yung
from now on.
face niya, very telegenic si
Ang
Sweet.
susunod na cutie, mula rin sa National University Clark Campus. At ang kanyang dahilan sa pagsali sa kompetisyon para maging inspirasyon ng next generation.
I wasn't actually supposed to audition to begin with. My classmate
Clark.
told me, David, you come here. The judges are looking at you. So I was like, wait a minute. How
Tungkod din ako
often
pabilib.
does an opportunity like this come? Very rarely. So whenever I see an opportunity, I think I should grab it and won't let go. So that's when I decided to sing. Can't take my eyes off you by Frankie
Can't take my eyes.
Eventually, I made it. And I'm so glad I did.
Nice one, cutie dreamer of Clark.
Cutie dreamer. Yan, taga sa amin yan.
Ang Mr. Pogi ng Tarlac. Ano naman kaya ang dala-dala niyang pangarap?
You can call me Tok.
Same kami ng school, Dominican College of
I
Tarlac.
can cook, I love singing, and I always do some workout at home. Kindness, because a simple smile can go a long way po. Campus Cutie is not just someone who looks good physically, but it's all about kindness, confidence, and making people feel welcome po.
Way to go, Jason! Last but not the least, ang huling ipapakilala nating cutie, childhood dream daw ang pagiging artista.
Ako din.
Hello po, I am Kiko Antonio.
But
and I'm
wala.
from De La Salle College.
Dito ako sa larangan ng
Nung
paggawa
bata
ng
po ako, nanonood
content,
po ako ng mga
reaction video.
Artista, and na-inspire po ako sa galing po nila na umarte po.
Ako
Medyo
din,
kanilang
gusto ko
dedication
nag-a-act.
po sa art nila. I will work very hard for my dream, and God bless sa inyo. Good luck sa path nyo, good luck din sa journey nyo, and I hope you guys can support me for my journey din as well.
There you have it. Nakilala na natin ang 20 campus cuties.
Eh, sino bias niya? Ako si Jason. Support
May
yung
spot ka
sariling
na bang cutie?
amin. Eh, kaabang-abang to, no?
Simula na ng matinding
Comment down below, guys, kung gusto niyo pang gawa ko ng reaction
dadaan na
sa
sila
kanila.
iba't ibang
Comment down below.
workshops.
Alright, bye!
May susuko kaya? O lalaban para sa pangarap? Sino kaya ang
Ay, wait lang.
tatanghalin?
Di pa pala tapos.
Campus Cutie!
Campus Kitty!